All right, everyone. Welcome to a solution video for while loop worksheet 1. Question 4, we're going to be creating a program that determines a number that are divisible by 7 and is a multiple of 5 between 1500 and 27. For this question, we're using a while loop to analyze a range of numbers. In our previous examples, we were only dealing with starting at numbers like 1 or 0 and going up towards a number. However, in this one, we're starting at a value rate of 1 and ending off at a value. So I'm going to show you how to create a while loop. So the best way to do is create a starting variable, manipulate that, and loop until that number becomes the end criteria that you wanted. So I'm going to create a start variable, and we're going to start at 1500. And we're going to say while our start variable is less or equal to 2700 because we're including 2700. We're going to write a colon at the end because while loops require colons at the end. And we're going to say if our start variable modulus 5 is equal to 0 and start modulus 7 is equal to 0, that means it is divisible by both 5 and 7, and print that start value. At every iteration, I want to increase the start variable by 1 so that I reach the end of 2700, and that is the end of the program. So let's run this code. And it would give us these numbers from 1500 to 2700. That is it is multiple of 5 and divisible by 7. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.